The leadership program has affected my life by allowing me to be more confident when leading different activities and allowing me to form lifelong friendships.
So junior leadership is an extracurricular at lunchtime for grades 7 and 8s, and they're invited to come in and meet new friends, get to know people that they maybe didn't know from elementary school, and they can participate in organizing activities and getting involved in the school.
The benefits of being in a leadership class is it brings students together. It allows them to find their place in a safe group. They like to cooperate and work together on different projects, and even we've got some very loud students, some very shy students, and they all find their place within this group and feel like they belong within the program and within the school.
So when I was in grade 7, I was very shy coming into John Rennie. And then in grade 8, I joined the leadership program, and I saw how everyone was outgoing and really out there. And I gained more confidence, and I became more of an extrovert than an introvert.
We run such activities as Spirit Weeks for the juniors. We were also involved in running the first ever John Rennie Farmers Market, as well as running different activities specifically designed for juniors at lunchtime.
The leadership program is like a big family. Everyone's included and everyone can join. You organize lots of activities for the school, so you're always involved. For example, we do like holiday games or Spirit Week games in the Great Hall. And this year, due to coronavirus, we couldn't do that. We organized different days, so summer in December, holiday hat day. So we found other ways to do that.
My favorite thing about leadership class is making new friends and helping other people participate.
So the advice that I would give to any grade 7 coming into John Rennie would be to get involved, whether it be in leadership or sports or any extracurriculars really that are offered, just to see what they can enjoy, to make new friends, and to make their time at John Rennie more meaningful.
At John Rennie, there's something here for everyone.